Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine front loader and you're getting an E22 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So real quickly, the E22 error is a no fill or a slow fill error, which basically means that when you try to start a cycle, the washing machine needs to take on water. It gives itself a certain amount of time to get the water it needs, and if after that time is up it hasn't gotten it, it will give you this error and it will abandon the cycle. So what you need to do is figure out why is your washing machine not getting water. The most common culprits for this are going to be that the intake hose, either you got to make sure the water's on to your house, to the house and everything like that, to the washing machine, and also you might have a hose in the back that has been pinched or kinked or smashed. You know, sometimes if you when you install the washing machine, you push it too hard against the wall, you can end up pinching the intake hose, and that can prevent you from getting the water you need. So anyways, that's all you need to do is figure out why there's no water getting into your washing machine, and you'll be able to get rid of this error and get your washing machine working. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.